So the first one we're going to do in these subtraction problems is we're going to do subtraction without regrouping. So just like we did with addition, we'll do a subtraction. So the difference with subtraction is when we talk about numbers, so our first problem, our problem is going to be 176, take away 24. When we do subtraction, we only draw out the first number. This is what we take from this. So in addition, we draw out both numbers. In subtraction, we only draw out the first number. So having the kids set it up again, in the like place value areas, so ones, tens, and hundreds helps them then when we do with regrouping. So now we have 7 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we're going to start with our ones, and we're going to cross out 4 of them. We've got to check, do we have enough? Yes, we do. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're left with 2. Now we need to move on to our tens. We have 2. Do we have enough to take away 2? We do. 1, 2. We're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have our 100 still left, hasn't been touched. On a number line, subtraction is kind of funny because we'll start, this is a blank number line again because I think it's simpler for the kids to see. We'll start with 176, but instead of starting here, because we're subtracting, we're going to be jumping backwards. So we have to start over here. So 176, and then we're going to do 2 jumps of 10, 10, 20. So these are jumps of 10. So 176, and then we have to remember to go backwards. So 166, 156, and then we need to do our 4 jumps of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 155, 154, 153, 152. They match, so then we know that it's correct because both of them match. Again, with subtraction, subtraction is more difficult. So if this is not solid, focus on this. Even if it gives you number lines, you can focus on this just because I think it's important that the kids have a really firm foundation in place value to move on to number lines. Okay, now we're going to do a problem that's subtraction with regrouping. So that means we're going to have to move things around just like we did last time to make new numbers and to pull apart from tens to have enough to make a new number. So our problem is going to be 154, take away 73. So if we do our ones, tens, and hundreds again, then we have 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just like last time, we only draw out the first number. Okay, so we're going to start with our ones. We got to look, do we have enough ones? We do. 1, 2, 3. We're left with 1 left. Okay, now Now we need to look at our tens. Do we have enough tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We only have 5, and we need to take 7. So what we need to do is we need to ask this 100 to if we can borrow something from him. We need to borrow a group of 10. So we break this down into how many tens make 100, which is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have all of these tens together, and we have enough to take away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we've taken our hundreds away, so he is gone. So we have no hundreds, so our answer is 81. Again, on a blank number line, we're gonna start with our big number over here, 154, or 154, and we're gonna make 7 jumps of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are all jumps of 10. Okay. 154, 144, 134, 124, 114. And then this is where a lot of times it gets a little tricky with the kids. So 114, 104, and then we have to cross back into a 2-digit number. This is where if the kid's not able to go back and cross that 100, they can use their fingers. So 104, 103, 102, 101, 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94. Okay, and then 84. And then from that, we need to jump back 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So 84, 83, 82, 81. So they both equal the same. So I know I've done both of, or I know that the answer is correct. If one of them is wrong, then use the one that you feel most comfortable with in finding your answer. And that will help you know where you made the mistake. If you have any questions, let me know and I will help you. Have a good day. Bye.